Welcome to TechPacks, your partner in advanced research and development. In this video, we will be presenting the details about one of the most demanding research projects, titled Enhanced Network Security through Feature Selection and Multiclass Support Vector Machine. This research project can be extended further to publish a research paper in a reputed journal or used for your PhD or MTech thesis. So, if you are a researcher, PhD, or MTech research scholar working on a similar research project and need expert guidance to handle the complexities of research in this field, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end to gain valuable insights into the project's objectives, methodology, and results. We'll also provide a demo of the code in action, showcasing its key features and functionalities. So, let's begin. Our professional researcher will now take the lead and guide you through the details. Here we go.
Friends, welcome to TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the applications that we have designed in order to enhance the security of the network by identifying the intrusions of the different types. So here we have utilized the artificial intelligence in order to identify that by using the recent intrusion based dataset. So let's move to the video. Before moving to that sections, let's talk about that what we will cover into this video. In this video, initially we will talk about the application areas where it can be used and helpful. Along with that, whatever the code we have designed, how to execute it, and what are the software requirements for that will be discussed. Along with that, we will give you an overview that what exactly the current systems or the researchers are working in the same domain and the problems identified, how proposed work are overcoming it, and what exactly we have done in that. Finally, the experimental outcomes and the findings will be reviewed. So let's talk about the application areas. Internet security, where when the data is transmitting over the internet, either in the IoT or wireless communication or whatever the things, there the security, internet security is very much a crucial section. Other than that, the digital security, where the credit related or money related transactions has been considered, or your personal information is there. So network security, where data is transmitted over the certain devices or industries or the companies in order to avoid the cyber attacks or the malware attacks. Data protection, the privacy concern related to the credit details, emails, and whatever the things. So in all those sections, the developed system can be deployed and will be helpful. Now let's see how the code is to be executed. So we will give you the folder like this, in which we do have the code folder under which all the files has been placed along with the database files. We have developed the whole system in the MATLAB. So in order to run this code, you must have the MATLAB software. The MATLAB version that we are using is 2015B, so you can use 2015 or 16. Later on, once will might be create some issues because the libraries has been updated. So in order to run the code, you just need to copy this path here, copy, go to the MATLAB and just paste it here. When you will press and press enter, you can see all the files those were there in the folder are visible here. So out of all these files, you just need to run the main code, press enter. When you press enter, code file will be opened and here the editor window will be there. In order to run the code, you just need to click on the run button. When you click on the run button, you can see it start working. So in the meantime it is working, let's talk about that what exactly it is and how we proceeded with it. So as we are working with the intrusion dataset, so the dataset that we are following is basically UNSW dataset. So this was the dataset which is available online on different platforms. You can get it from the Kaggle, you can get it from their official website, because this is basically the data related to the UNSW University for the Sydney, that gives us the data for the different intrusions. All the information related to the dataset is given here, that covers the different attacks like fuzzer, analysis, backdoors, DOS, exploits, generic, and many others. All these information is over there. You can even work with the different dataset also, but currently we are working with the UNSW and WNB dataset. So even on the Kaggle, you can see this dataset is available, so you can download from here. Also in the data card, you can go and download the Excel files. So this is having the two files, one is for train and another one is for test. So we are doing the training section here. So what exactly we have done in the previous systems, most of the people are working on extracting the information. Those are those are feeding the Excel sheet directly to the classifiers. So most of the work is related to that, and they are operating with the different classifiers like SVM, random forest. But as it is a multi-class, so for the binary classification, like only if it is to be detected whether it is attacked or non-attacked, then it is better to go with such systems like SVM and all, because they are good for two class or binary class classification. But when it is about the multi-class, there it is quite challenging. So what exactly we are doing, other than that, the complexity of the dataset that we are holding having lot of information with it. So in order to overcome those issues in the proposed system, what exactly we are doing, initially we are applying one of the concept of feature selection. So for that we have implemented the infinite feature selection method to get the weights and the rank of the features. So the feature set with the higher weight with respect to the threshold that we have set in this code is selected, and that set is further fed to the multi-class SVM. So we are applying an advanced variant of the SVM, because till now in the binary classification SVM is proven best in all the categories, but when it is about the multi-classes, normal SVM is not effective. So here we are implementing the multi-class SVM, where we are recognizing as per the data given to them of the different classes. So let's see the code. You can see initially we are reading the data set, then pre-processing has been done in order to form the data from string to numeric so that machine can easily understand. Then we have applied the infinite feature selection in order to get the rank and the weights, and on basis of the threshold we have selected, threshold is defined here, and we have selected the particular ranks. Those data has been considered from the original sample after the pre-processing and divided into training and targeted information as per the percentage. Then multi-class SVM has been trained and further predictions has been made in order to get the results, and finally on the basis of that we have calculated the different parameters including accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. And additionally we have also considered the results from the different base papers where they have implemented the same with the same data set like C44, NA base, random forest, multi-layer perception, normal SVM, CART, ANN and HIDS, and compared our proposed results with these traditional method in order to prove that our system is effective enough. So the parameters are evaluated in terms of accuracy and F1 score. So let's wait the system to get the whole processing closed, because currently the pre-processing and infinite feature selection has been applied. Now the system get trained, because it is a multi-class SVM, so it will take some time to train itself. So we just need to wait for that to finish the training procedure so that we can get the outcomes from the predictions those are made into it, and finally compared with the respect to accuracy and other related factors. So let's wait for it to get finished. These results has been considered from the different research articles those were proposed by the different people, and then compared the results with them. So it is expected that the proposed accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score of the proposed method are better, and it is proven from the simulation. So you can see here whatever the results we will find, it is for the multi-classes. So that's why we have considered the mean accuracy, precision, recall, so that we can show that for the overall classes how it is working, and what is the average accuracy we are achieving from all the categories of the 9 attacks those were there in that data set, which I already mentioned you here, right? So let's wait the system to get trained. So here you can see we have received the results. So the proposed accuracy that we have achieved is so the proposed accuracy that we have achieved is 99.5% precision, recall and F1 score, and when compared with the traditional method, you can see in the case of the accuracy, our system is achieving the highest accuracy in comparison to the existing system. Even for the F1 score it is higher. So confusion matrix is also shown for all the different classes, where we are getting the results for the different scenarios and the classes of the attacks. So total of the 10 classes, 9 of the attack and 1 of the normal. So proposed system is achieving much better results, and further improvements are also possible because this is currently working with one of the dataset. So many of the recent datasets are also available. Those are related to the recent attacks and many other variations. So for more details you can contact us directly, and to implement it in real term scenarios and algorithm designing, we are assisting for the industrial people as well for the research people. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. For more information about this research project and to get our consultancy services, click the link in the description below. At TechPacks, We offer comprehensive support for researchers, PhD, and MTech students in the fields of engineering and ICT. Our services include selection of research topic, helping you choose the right topic tailored to your interests and the latest trends. Synopsis preparation, crafting a clear and concise synopsis with well-defined objectives. Coding assistance, providing expert help with writing and optimizing code in various tools and platforms. Research paper writing, assisting in drafting and editing research papers to meet the highest academic standards. Dissertation writing, offering complete support for your dissertation, ensuring consistency and quality. Plagiarism check and removal, ensuring your work is original and free from plagiarism with advanced detection tools. We also offer customization services to meet your specific project needs. Whether you require a modification of an existing project or a completely new application, our team of experts is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge research projects and expert advice. Thank you for choosing TechPacks. We look forward to collaborating with you on your research journey.